Nowadays, technology has brought many new ideas and developments that put us to the next level. The biggest challenge comes when we, as logistics business players, must find a way to use those technologies as an advantage instead of seeing them as a threat. We face that duality with 3D printing. This technology has put the definition of tailored solutions or expedited product solutions to another level since that technology has put in our hands the possibility to get several products and options even into our own garages. With a good laptop and a 3D printer, you can offer product options to your customers. Now, how will those products get to the final customer? There you go, through logistics services. That being said, it is worth exploring the rising markets and companies focusing on offering 3D printing solutions because they will need a trusted partner to get those products to their customer. So, to fulfill this faster response, our availability and time performance is key. From this point of view, 3D printing companies could be an exciting niche to explore. A blue ocean ready to be conquered by companies that find this challenge as a new opportunity to expand their services and grow their book of customers. Sometimes we need to think out of the box and be creative in taking advantage of these new technologies. Let's embrace the new technologies as boosters to meet our goals instead of seeing them as roadblocks to growth.
3D printers are part of the additive manufacturing process that includes a printing device to print different objects ranging from various shapes and sizes. Rising demand for manufacturing complex parts, reducing manufacturing expenses, improvements in product development and supply chains are factors driving the growth of this market. Research shows that a building size and the cost of pre and post processing are factors that are restraining the growth of this market. Also, these markets face several challenges, including copyright issues and lack of awareness and demand for highly skilled professionals. 3D printing methods create parts by adding material layer by layer, enabling engineers and designers to produce parts having geometric complexity and in small batches, which is impossible for traditional methods where they have to produce in huge scale. Being able to produce in small scale stimulates a lot the logistic and the supply chain industry. To conclude, 3D printers are part of a developing market that, if consolidated, will bring a huge opportunity for supply chain when it comes to the production of small parts, as well as transporting these smaller scale batches across the country.
The advancement of 3D printing as a localized manufacturing process is a disruption to existing supply chains, but it creates new lanes and modalities of distribution of new materials and equipment. There's still a need for raw materials and distribution of those materials and finished goods. While the changes will not be immediate or complete, the 3PL market will need to have a deeper conversation with shippers and manufacturers about those changes and how they will or may affect the current lanes and distribution models. The sooner these conversations are had, the sooner the redeployment of capacity can be found and managed.